Alright people, welcome back. I'm Augie, Switchback Trading. Want to run you through a few more model setups. The Switchback Trading model, SBT baby, my bread and butter. Bread and butter! Okay, so what do we got here? Massive spike up, right? All the way up, okay. Now, you wait, right? You wait, why? It's a massive sell-off, okay? What's this level here? It wants to tag that. Sorry, not the green line. The purple level here. It wants to touch it, right? So once you see it hitting this, okay, that's something. Let's see if this develops into a trade. So you can bring it down a bit, put the measurements on it. Okay, so why do I like this setup? Well, it's at this level, okay? Like it loves to tag it, and it's gonna bounce here. It's above this moving average, and it's, you know what I mean, this moving average here. Ideally, you want it crossing over both of them at the same time, the 25% retracement and the 34. But the fact that this is so high already, that's bullish. That's extremely bullish. You know what I mean? That it didn't even give it time to come down here. So for me, I like to put my orders right at the level. So 2049. You know, you place a limit order. You know, don't be doing market orders because, man, you could have got filled at your TP1 at the 50%. You know, you're not gonna get good fill. So if you put in the limit order at the 25% retracement, right? 419.75. Boom. Okay. TP1 438. You know, 9-point scalp in, geez, what? 1, 2, 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 9 points. Okay. TP1 got hit. Lovely. You got a runner in. This TP2 gets hit. Okay, great. Stop should be a break even. Never let the trade, a winning trade, turn red. Okay, just don't. Just get out with a profit and wait for the next setup because they come so often. They come so often. Just chill. Wait. This is gonna be another one. I promise you. I promise you. So this is a 1 minute chart. So this high here, I'm going to mark it. Why am I going to mark it? Because it didn't get taken out. Okay, so this is, whenever you have this, right, you need to pay attention. So I'll put a ray here. Okay, why? Well, this high, it didn't get taken out. There's orders there. There are people that went short all along here, right? And they placed their stop there. Didn't get taken out, so they're like, oh, okay, I'm good. All these people are like, no, it came close, but I held it, and we're good. Just sit tight, you know. Market, she's tricky. And then what happens? It's moving. It's making a move. Okay, so it's another leg down. All the people that went short up over here are thinking this is the move. It's breaking down, probably adding to positions. I don't want to be in it for that long. I want to get in and get out. So I'm just gonna exploit what's really happening in front of me right now. Like what do I see? You know, that's what you need to focus on. And what I see right now is my model setup. So right. So put the measurement. I call them fibs, but you know what? They're not fibs. It's just a simple 25, 50, 75%, and 100% retracement. That's it. There's not no magical numbers. You know? It's just we're using the EMA for confirmation. Okay, so everybody went short, right? They're short, they're happy. What happens now? Yeah. So once again, it taps the level, okay? So that's okay. Pay attention. Something we got a reaction. Comes up, closes above, taps it down. Okay, so there's a bit of a fake out. So let it settle down. This is quite dangerous. Look at these wiki wick wicks. Okay. So if you front ran it and jumped the gun and, you know, okay, you probably got stopped out. Because this was, you know, if you got in there, it's not above the EMA. It's at above the 25%. But you know what, the market, it doesn't. You need to give it some time too, right? It just hit it, bounced, hit it again, and what's it doing down here? Sucking in more shorts. Okay, manipulation, right? So let that, give that a few minutes to play out. Okay, and then wait and watch. And this candle here. Oh, let's screw that up. This candle here, right? You see it, right? That's your confirmation candle, you know. So to play this ultra safe, once you saw that candle, okay, go ahead and now enter in your limit buy at 426. Okay, why? The price already shook out. It was manipulation. It's closed above the 25% once, twice. Closed above the EMA. Put in your limit order. Normally, you know, you can get filled. Sometimes you'll miss it, but you know what? That's okay. If you miss it, there's always the next one, okay? Because if you put in your limit order, and then what happens next? Where's the 50% retracement? Let's move it out of the way here. There's the 50% retracement here at 440. So you got in at 426, out at 440. That's nice. That's 14 points. TP1 hit, boom. Okay. Now you probably would have got stopped out here, because what do? You move your stops to break even. You know, once you take profit, move it to break even. Maybe you left the runner in. Who knows? You know, you could have left your original stop for the runner. You would have taken a bit of heat here if you held your position, or you could have re-entered. If you got stopped out, boom, re-enter. These two candles, bullish. That close above the 25%, you could have put your order. Once you saw that close above the EMA, that's confirmation. And yeah, and you could have got a second TP1. That would be nice. And then TP2 gets hit. Nice. And why would you want to keep monitoring this? Because remember that first high, that one right there? Yeah. Okay, let me put the ray back on it. So that's still liquidity up there that needs to be taken out. Right. Boom! Look at that. Can you see that? Look at that. There's liquidity here. Boom. Got touched. Got tagged there. But, you know, I tagged it once. It didn't tag the high. So what's going to happen? The high is going to get tagged. And you have this other level here that it's drawn to, as I said. So, ideally, best scenario, you would have taken 4, and you would have had a runner. You would have exited the runner right there. Boom. If you executed that trade, you're a goat. That is what you want. That is what you want. And you know, you've just banked massive profit, right? So. Go take a walk, chill, because now it's gonna, you know, there's gonna be reactions now. It just took out liquidity. It's gonna get crazy. You know, don't be greedy. But for my short play, I really have a hard time going short. I don't know why, but you know, you could have taken a short right when it crossed. Whoop, crossed there. Let me get rid of that one. Get the crayon. Get the crayon. You know, there's a high, low. Once it, you know, 50%, that's a 50%, you know, so you had price tag it, come up, once it broke it again, okay, I'm going short, and you can target that previous low. But I mean, would I have taken that? Probably not. Why? Because I just got massive profits here, you know, 1, 2, 3. So, you know, sometimes you just gotta, don't be greedy. If you're green, walk away, you know, take your setups, walk away, but don't push it, because nothing's 100%, people. You know what I mean? This model, it fails, you know, or technical error, or nothing's 100%. It's highly probable. It's a high win rate. It's repeatable. but it's not 100%. So yeah, you will get losing trades. So why push it? After those trades, you know, that's 1, that's 2, 3 winning trades in a row. You know what? Call that a day, people. That's a big fucking W. That's a big W. Okay, hopefully you're starting to see the elegance of this model. This is a 1-minute chart. I like to scalp on the 5-second. I know some people think that's crazy, you can't do that. I do it and I love it. It's in and out quick. I bank points, get out, get back in, get out, get back in, get out, get back in. Okay, I'm done. Thanks. Thank you, Mr. Market. Alright, I'm not 100% today. I had some fucking supermarket sushi. I gotta stop living so dangerous, man. Because, yeah. I got the skirts. Okay, anyways. Yeah. So, till the next one. Augie, Switchback Trading. Hopefully you liked it. And like and subscribe. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye.